Hi dear students, welcome to Bedaku Academy. In this video, we are going to learn how to construct an AP when the first term A and the common difference D are given. Before proceeding to the lesson, I request you to subscribe our channel if you are not yet subscribed. Just by clicking the bell button or bell icon below this video. I hope you are doing it. Thank you for subscribing our channel. Let us move to the lesson. So we are going to construct an AP when the first term A and the common difference D are given. In the first example which I have taken, A is equal to 10 and common difference D is also equal to 10. When we know A and D, it is easy to construct an AP provided if you know the general form of an AP. In the last video, we have learned the general form of an AP. Let us recollect and write it here. So general form of an So first term will be A plus D second term, A plus 2D is the third term and A plus 3D will be the fourth term and so on. So even first term is written as A1, second term is written as A2 and third term is written as A3 and fourth term is A4 and so on. So now come to the problem. So here A is equal to 10 and D is equal to 10. To find the first term, we know that A1 is equal to A itself. So A1 is equal to A itself. So value of A is 10. Therefore, the first term of an AP is 10. Let us find the second term. A2 is equal to A plus D. So substitute the values of A and D. So 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. 20 is the second term of the AP. So third term, A is equal to A plus 2D. So A is 10 plus 2 into 10. Value of D is 10. So 2 into 10 is 20. 20 plus 10 is equal to 30. So now we can easily find the fourth term. Fourth term A4 is equal to A plus 3D is equal to 10 plus 3 into 10. 10 into 3 is 3 into 10 is 30. 30 plus 10 is equal to 40. Now we got four terms of the AP. Therefore, AP is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40 and so on. We can find any term of this AP using the general form. So I hope you understood. Let us take one more example to concretize the concept. So I will take now A is equal to minus 2 and D is equal to 4. A is equal to minus 2 and D is equal to 4. Let us find the first four terms of the AP which consists A as minus 2 and D is equal to 4. Now first term A1 is equal to A itself. So the value of A is minus 2. So it is minus 2 itself. So second term will be A2 is equal to A plus D. So is equal to minus 2 plus 4. D is 4. So here one is having negative value and another one is positive value. So when they have different signs, you have to subtract and keep the sign of a greater number. So 4 minus 2 is 2 and since 4 is greater number having the plus sign, it is plus. So now let us move to third term. A3 is equal to A plus 2D. So A is minus 2 plus 2 into value of D is 4. So 2 into 4 is 8. 8 minus 2 is 6. Since it is greater and having plus value, the final sum will be 6 plus having plus value. So let us move to fourth term. A4 is equal to A plus 3D. So here also minus 2 plus 3 into 4. So 4 3s are 12. 12 minus 2 is 10. So now we got the first four terms of an AP. Now we can write it as AP is equal to, therefore AP is equal to minus 2. First term, second term is plus 2 and third term is 6 and fourth term is 10 and you can find any term of this AP using the general form. Let us move to the third problem with a fractional values. So if a is equal to plus half and d is equal to 1 by 2 plus half. So we have fractional values. Now also you can easily find out. Don't be panic with the fractions. So now the first term a1 is equal to a itself. The first term will be 1 by 2. Now the second term will be a2 is equal to, that is once again a plus d, that is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So now we can easily add. So half plus half is equal to 1. We can directly write down it is equal to 1. So next third term is equal to a plus d is equal to 1 by 2 plus d, that is sorry a plus 2d here, 2 into 1 by 2. 2 gets cancels. 1 by 2 plus 1. So you can write it as 1 by 2, or you can convert it into mixed fraction. 2 into 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 by 2. You can keep in mixed fraction or in improper fraction. Now let me find the fourth term, that is a plus 3d. a plus 3d is equal to half value of a. So now 3 into 1 by 2 is equal to, so now it becomes 1 by 2 plus 3 into 1 is 3 by 2. Since the denominator is same, you can keep the denominator as it is. Just add the numerators. 1 plus 3 is 4. So 2 ones are 2 twos are. So is equal to 2. Now we got 4 terms of the AP which we are going to construct. Therefore AP is equal to 1 by 2 first term, second term is 1, third term is 3 by 2, and the fourth term is 2. In this video we will learn how to construct an AP when first term and the common difference are given. I hope you understood the concept well. To concretize this concept yourself, just practice the problems which are given in the description box. If you enjoyed this class, please give me a like and don't forget to share to your friends. Thank you for watching this video.